Hello everyone, Eric with Auto Replay back on the, this is a 2004 SLK, and sold the seat covers on eBay, the ones that on the top that are good, and right now working on getting them out. So here is this bottom seat was already coming out. I've actually sold this top cushion part, and at least getting that out good. And you know, this electric seat bracket is in pretty good because of the way it's not moving. I mean, all the rust and everything. I'm not going to try to plug it in or crank it up or anything like that. So what I found out is that there's a bolt right there, and I should be able to take that loose, and hopefully it'll fit in there. Oh, I may have to get an extension, but I should be able to take that loose and lift this top seat cushion out the way. Should be able to pull it because this side is already kind of loose. So maybe somebody already took that one out. But yeah, let me run and get that and start working on videotape it, and we'll go from there. And you know, eventually clean up the interior and get some new seats, you know. So that's the game plan, and I'll be back. Alright, so I got different 1/4-inch drive with a long socket. Get it in here. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's see here for anything. Loose and come out. Alright, let me find a 10mm. just take a little screwdriver and stick it in there. There's a little push tab right there. Yeah, you see that in the camera. So that's how these come out. Let's get down in there. I don't know if I already turned this one too much. I probably already did. It's hopefully it's still in there right. This okay. There we go. Out comes out. Now this unravels. Probably starting from the bottom. Now here. This is all going to unravel here. Just kind of snap it out of its place. Because I'm selling this, so hope somebody else can use this, because I need a whole new seat. I'm not about to rebuild this seat. That's too much work. I mean, motors and stuff. And see, I think this, does this just pop in or something? I'm trying to remember. I know this comes out of here. Like that. Just little clips that hold it in. Which I'm pretty sure where it's getting this. Get a new one if need be. Oh, there's ants right there. Okay, and then just kind of unfold it, pull it back like a banana, and pull this up, and then that's the seat cover. Booyah! So that's done. Anybody need an old rusty frame? Probably ain't gonna worry about that. Put these back in there. But yeah, it's looking pretty gnarly in there. But what I'll probably end up doing is going in here. Yeah, I really can't see it on that one, but cleaning all this up, rust proofing this. I may pull this carpet out, get it all clean, and get two seats, put it back in there, plug them in. I think my ABS light will go away, and then I could put, you know, this what do you call that, that dash lower panel there. Interior would be fine, and redo the hydraulics and put a front bumper on there. So I'm gonna call it a wrap for now. I gotta go package up this top cover and go from there. Thanks for watching.